Usap-usapan ngayon ang nasabi nga pong pag-file ng kaso ng asawa ni Kong Albi Benitez ng Bacolod na si Nikki Benitez. Nasa social media at talaga namang ngayon ay pinag-uusapan ito. Ayon kay Nikki Benitez, while I heard rumors of respondents' infidelity early on, tumutukoy ang nasabi nga pong pahayag na ito sa kanyang husband na si Kong Albi Benitez. Say ni Nikki, I had no proof of such facts. It was only when I received the petition for declaration of nullity of marriage filed by respondent, and after reading the admission of respondent of having fathered two illegitimate children and his implied admission of his current illicit relationship with Ivana Alawi, that I was able to confirm his marital infidelity. Ibig sabihin ay umamin mismo si Kong Albi Benitez sa infidelity ito. Nagsampa ng kaso ang asawa nito at ngayon nga ay nakabalandra ang pangalan ni Ivana Alawi na tinutukoy na mistress ni Kong Albi Benitez. Dito makikita nga ang nasabing pahayag. Nikki Benitez filed anti-violence against women complaint affidavit against husband Congressman Albi Benitez. Ivana Alawi named as mistress. Narito naman ang naging say ng mga netizen, iba't ibang opinyon sa naging pahayag na ito ng misis ni Kong Albi Benitez. Yan ang ating Showbiz Love update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Please like, share, and subscribe.